Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Wednesday Addams with Starbucks. So let's get started. To draw Cute Wednesday, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So if you're wondering where this drawing inspiration came from, it was when I went to Starbucks and I was leaving, I saw this big sticker of this drawing on the window. And so that got me wondering, what's this drawing about? How is it related to Starbucks? And so then when I went back, I Googled it, and I guess it might be something about they have like a Wednesday Addams Starbucks cold brew. So I think that's why they have that sticker of Wednesday Addams on the window. I'm not too sure. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. But hopefully you love this drawing. Okay, so now I have her eyes in. Let's come to the sides right here, and we're just going to spruce them up with some lashes. So maybe just two thick lashes. And same thing here and here. Then from there, let's see, it's a little bit different, right, this drawing, because we need to cover her mouth area with a drink. So let's come to the top of the eye. As usual, we're going to come right about here, really close to the lashes, and I'll give myself a point. From there, I'm going to start to draw a bottom of U to frame her face. So right around the eyes, we're going to come down. And before I finish that, so now that I kind of know, let's see, let's bring this down a little bit more. Kind of like where I would bring it if I were to keep going. So if you're using a pencil, definitely go ahead and just finish this curve first. But I'm going to come back now, and in between the eyes, right in the center, I'll just draw a very light little curve for her nose. And then underneath that, I'm going to come into this space and draw the cup. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve for the top of our lid. Do a little bit angle. So just remember, everything needs to kind of fit into this space. So then from there, let's draw a straight line for the second level of our cup lid. Then angle it down. And connect once again. There. Then we can go ahead, come back into the space and angle down. Then angle down. There. So now that we have this angle, let's see, we're gonna bring this in. So just imagine you're just drawing her face. But before we do, oh, wait, actually, you know what? Yeah, we need to draw her. Let's finish her face first. So let's bring in this curve. Just gonna bring it into this space. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go up. We're going to draw her hair. So, let's see, what's the easiest? I'm going to come to the center, so I'm just kind of imagining this oval. So I'll say about right here in the center, nice and high, and give myself a point. From there, I'm going to come down with a curve towards her eye. And then I'm going to curve in for one strand of hair and connect. So same thing over here. Curve towards the eye. Go up and then just connect it to finish it up. Then now we can go ahead and draw her brow. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a soft angle, thicken it up, shade it in, whatever space you have, just finish it off. So same thing here. There. Okay. Well, actually, no, it's not going to be that long, huh? So we need to, sorry, I made her brows too long. So here is what we're going to do. We're going to erase all that because that looks terrible. Looks like she has brows that are going all the way to the sides. So let me erase that. And I'll just make this strand thicker, so that we don't need to draw anything too complicated. So there, okay. So we're just going to fill in this space with our hair. There, okay. Looks better, right? Hopefully. Okay, so then from there, let's go up straight. Sorry about that. And then let's see here, we're going to come back into the space before we're done, and we're just going to come right here and draw a curve to finish it off. And right here, because in this space right here, we're going to tuck in her ear. So let's come back about right here where her eye is, and put in some details, 2 curves. So same thing on the other side. There, so we have her ear. Then we can go ahead and finish the rest of her hair. So let's go up nice and high. Let's say about right here. And we're going to go up on both sides. So we go up, get a curve, and then we're going to slant it down a little bit. Make this part nice and full. And then we're going to tuck it in. So same thing here. Nice and full, and then bring it towards the ear. There. Okay, so there, finally done with that. And we'll draw her braids a little bit later. Let's finish the rest of this drawing. So now comes a little bit part of that's a little bit complicated is the hands. But before we do that, I forgot. Let's come back into the space. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw shoulders. So right where the head and everything meets, cup. So let's come into this space, and about right here, I'm going to start with a hand. So we're going to angle it right there. Come down like for the fingers. Create that little shape. This is going to angle down and in. This is going to be like the palm area. Just creating this little curve, and then we're going to bring it in and cut it off. Then let's see here, we're going to give her a little cuff. So let's bring this out and out. So same thing on this side. This hand, maybe to make it a little bit higher. So once again, we're just going to come right here, just like the other side. Bring it in, round, palm, and this is going to angle and in and connect. So you can come into this space and just draw maybe 2 lines for some fingers. And then whatever space you have left, just finish your cup. Okay, so once again, we're going to cut this off. And we're going to draw the arms. So let's see here. Let's bring this down for the elbow. And bring this down. And just go ahead and connect it. And bring this down a little bit more. And then you can come back like where her armpit area might be, where her body, and just draw a little line. Okay, so same thing here. Bring this down. This one will be a little bit higher. And let's go ahead and do the same thing like the other side and connect it and a curve. And once again, bring this in and about right here, kind of where her armpit would be, just gonna put a line. Then from there, let's finish this cup. So I'm gonna make it a pretty big cup so we don't hit too many unnecessary spots, and to make it drawing easier. So I'll put the cup, the end of the cup about right there. Then let's imagine this is coming down for her body. So I'm gonna angle this a little bit more, and we're gonna come through. There. Okay, so let's come through and about right here, bring it in. But before we finish that, let's come back and come about right here. And we're just going to draw this scarf right in the center that's coming down. So this part is going to come in, bring down a little bit more. And this part is going to have a little cuff. So we're going to bring it down a tiny bit more. And then tuck this in. So then we can go ahead and finish our scarf. There. I'm just following the original drawing, sticker drawing. So hopefully I have it right, but there's some stripes on this scarf. So I'll just go ahead. 2 and 1 more. There. Okay, so then finally, let's see here, her pants. So right in the center, about right here, let's go ahead and we're going to break it up. 2 lines. So let's bring this down. We're going to angle it down to about right there. Let's come over here. And about right there, we're going to angle about right there where her knee would be. Come bring it in a little bit and then pop it out and then come in. Just to give her legs some shape. But if you're not comfortable doing that, just go ahead and make it straight down. So once again, about right here, curve it in a little bit, pop it out and in. Just gives the legs a little bit of shape. Then from there, cut it off. And let's see, draw a little part of her shoe, cut it off again, and then we're just going to draw this down for her shoe. So same thing here, cut it off. Connect everything just like the other side. And connect. And then for some details, the sole. And we're just going to put in 2 curves right here for some detail. There. So hopefully you love how that turned out. And then now we can finally draw her pigtails. That makes her Wednesday, right? So let's come back over here towards the ear. And I'm just going to go ahead and start. 1. I'm just going to bring down a braid to maybe about right there. So I'm going to go straight down, and then I'm going to stagger these curves. Get to a point about right there, and then the end. There. So same thing on the other side. So about right here and here. So let's keep going straight just like the other side. And we want to end about right here. So are we about the same? Almost. Okay, and then the end. There. And let's see if we're missing anything. Oh, of course, on the drink, let's come back and I'll just put like a big, I'm not going to draw the Starbucks logo, of course, because it's too complicated. So I'm just going to put in this circle right here. And then in the center, I'll put a big heart. And with the colors, I'm pretty sure you'll know that it's Starbucks. But that is pretty much it for this drawing of Wednesday Addams drinking a Starbucks drink. I really hope you loved this drawing and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.